let's get started. Okay, I wanted to show you what is in my diaper bag today. I have two kids. I have a 3-year-old and a 8-month-old. So I just wanted to show you what I keep in this bag to take whenever we're just going on a long drive, just to our like to a grandparent's house, friend's house. This doesn't have everything in it right now because we're not going anywhere right now. So there's a few things that are missing, but I will mention those in the video. So let's get started. This is the bag. I got it off of Amazon. It is the, I don't even know how to say it, the Salon. I'll link it below. I'm not good at saying words. I like this bag. For Henry, for my first bag, I used like a Michael Kors bag that I bought at Dillard's when I worked there. And it was really good for my, like, to just have one kid. But now having two kids, I needed a bigger bag. And so I got this one and I have loved it so much. There are so many compartments. Like there's one, let's see, there's one on the side. There's like the 2 pockets. This one, it has a zipper that you can just put your wipes in, and you know, you can just unbuckle it, like unzip it, open the wipes, grab the wipes, close it, and then zip it again. But I just use it for bottles, like my water bottle or Henry's. Also the straps, they have this little thing that you just clip on, like stroller. For the stroller, we'll just clip that on. I'm gonna go through each one, probably from smallest to biggest, and show you. So this pocket has so many things. So you can only see one with how I did that. I have this pouch, this little bag in it, and it has like women products, it has chapstick, it has a thermometer if we need it, and that's in this little bag. Tylenol and Motrin for the kids with like their syringe to get it. Keep these in your bag. It is the best thing to have in case like you're on a trip and you forget it. So you just have it already in your bag. Best thing. If I feel like my kids are starting to get sick, we hurry and give them a little bit of that, and that helps. So that is in the first pocket. Let's go to the second. So this is what it looks like. This is the thermal, I think that's what it's called, like pockets for your bottles. There's 3, which is so nice. I have Band-Aids in this. You know, Henry jumps and he scrapes his knee. Got a Band-Aid. If I hurt myself, like usual, Band-Aids, it's ready to go. That's pretty much what I have in that bag, in that compartment. Not a lot of stuff, but again, the thermal thing for the bottles is great to have. So that is that pocket. The next compartment is this middle one. This is where I usually put their clothes when we go, so it doesn't have anything in it right now, but it's like really deep, which is so nice. This is, yeah, so I will put their PJs in that one, their like extra clothes if James has a blowout, extra underwear for Henry because we're potty training right now. So fun. That's where I would put all their clothes. Right now I'm cleaning all their clothes because we're going on a trip. So that is that compartment. The next compartment, this one, and it unzips all the way down. And it has a lot of storage. A lot of storage, which is so nice. I could put the clothes in this one just because it just really folds down. I don't. But if I like need other things, this is where I'll put it. I'm going to show you what's in the side. So the pocket I keep, these are little books of like their medical, like their progression, which is so nice to have. They'll take pictures. There's baby James. This was his 4-month checkup. And 2-year checkup. It goes all the way up till when they're 5. But that's where I keep it just because I don't want to lose them whenever we go to the doctors for those appointments. Now onto the big one. This is what it looks like in there. I don't know if you can see that. So we have the Similac for James. We do formula. Fed is best for babies. Do what you need to do. Breastfeed is great. Formula is great. Whatever, as long as the baby is getting fed. Then we have wipes. We just use the like Members Mark from Sam's Club, and I think that's the best one. We have used Huggies, and that one has given our babies like bum rashes. We used Pampers, and that one was all right. We had the sensitive ones, and I don't like those ones because they're very thin, and I felt like more stuff was getting on me than I wanted, so I stopped using those. So we just went with Members Mark, and we've used Kirkland's from Costco as well, and those ones are same as Members Mark, and they're both really good. We have a bunch of diapers. We have 4s for James. We usually make sure that we have at least 5 for each kid when we're going out. And then we have a few for Henry. I think there's 5 in this one. When I go out of town, we usually just make sure the diaper bag is packed for the road. And then, because we do a lot of road trips instead of flying, I will make sure there's enough for the road. And then when we get there, I will go buy diapers because it's just easier to do that instead of making a whole bulk in the car when there's already so much stuff that we need to get. If you'd like to see those videos of me packing for our trip, which I think I'm actually going to do, but if you'd like to see that, keep posted or let me know if you do want to see that. That's what I do with diapers. We have a few more compartments in here, and this zipper up here, this is where I have the ointments. So we have like the bacteria, this is like for like cuts and stuff. We have Desitin. I have a couple Desitin. This ointment, James had a staph infection. He has really bad eczema, and so we have this just in case if that comes back. He's better now, but just in case. In another little compartment, we have lotion as well for James. Henry doesn't have as bad eczema as James does, and so we need to make sure we have lotion. We usually use, so we use the CeraVe, and then we also use the Aquifer. I had to order more for the bag, but we have a big tub downstairs when we need to use it. So we usually put 1 to 2 bottles in the bag for when we leave. We have one with we have both of them full of water, and then when we need to put the formula in, we will do that. Right, and that is what I put in my diaper bag. It's just a really good durable bag. My sister-in-law has one, and so she sent me the link to this one, and I'm so glad I got it. Please let me know what you put in your diaper bag for your toddler and babies and your must-haves. I would love to know. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!